Hey there, it's Walter here from fxjake.com, and I want to talk about two trades that I'm looking at right now. The first is the Euro Singapore. If you back it up and you look at the daily chart on the Euro Singapore, we've found a little bit of resistance here, some support twice. The line chart's going to show this: resistance, support, support. And then back here, you see this little jig right there on the line chart. Actually, if you look at this from a candlestick perspective, see the market just completely fell here, broke out of this box, fell through, and it paused right on the zone. And then when it broke through, it came back up and retouched it on the way back down. That's pretty common with support and resistance levels. So today, on the 1 hour chart, you can see that the market's gone up during the Asian session. And then right here, these candles right here represent the recent movement during the European session, which has just started trading. What we can say about that is that the market seems to be going down. It did go down a little bit during Asia, but overall it's already broken below the open of today during the European session. That's what I call the Asian drift, and you see it happen all the time in the Forex market. What I'm willing to do now is I'm willing to sell this pair at 1.5626, put my stop loss above the high of this bearish big shadow, which is a special case. The bearish big shadow is a special case of an engulfing candle. I'm looking to take profit first at 1.5570, which is basically the support and resistance level right here. You see support, support, resistance with all these wicks and highs, some more resistance here, and even a little bit of support here where it broke through, came down, touched it, and went up. 5570 is my first target. After that, I'll move my stop loss to break even and shoot for 5510 down here, which is not the ultimate low. The ultimate low is actually at 54.85 or 25 pips lower. So I like to do that in case it just makes just sort of a quick touch here and then bounces strongly. I want to make sure that I get cashed out. There's another somewhat similar trade on the Swiss Singapore. If you look at the Swiss Singapore on the daily especially, you'll see that it's got this really nice box. And now it's come back up and it's last kissed this box. It looks like today may be a kangaroo tail. It may not. We don't really know because we've got a ways to go before the day is over. However, we do know that on the 4 hour chart, it's given us another another big shadow. What that means is it's a special case of the engulfing candle. And I'd be willing to sell this pair if it trades below the low. It actually has already, let me zoom in so you can see. It has actually already traded lower than low. I'll be looking to put my emergency stop loss in the middle of the box. But if the market comes back up and closes in the box, I'll close my trade. The low here that I'm willing to trigger the trade at is at 1.2976. The first target is pretty easy, and that's going to be down here at 29.10. So 29.76, 29.10, and then the last target down here at 28.75. So 28.75, 29.10. If it hits 29.10, I'll move my stop loss to break even and then shoot for this one down here at 28.75. Stop loss is obviously up here at 31.18. But again, if the market does close above 1.3030 on a 4 hour candle, the trade will be over for me. I wish you very happy trading, and we'll see you soon. Take care.